Hey guys, I am Jillian Berry, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you my 3 favorite juicing recipes. These recipes are amazing, simple, delicious, and full of nutrients. I absolutely love juicing. Whether you're doing juice cleanses or not juice cleansing, it's good to add juices into your diet. They just flood your cells and your body with so much life and so much energy. There's absolutely nothing like it. I do have a lot of experience with juice cleanses. I've done mini ones like 3 days, 7 days, all the way up to 37 days. So I have played around with so many juices, and these are my top favorites. So let's get started. This is absolutely delicious. So this juice right here, very simple. All it is organic pineapple and turmeric root as well. So you just put that into your juicer. Pineapple is full of so many enzymes, so many nutrients, and the turmeric as well is super anti-inflammatory. So that's a nice simple juice, and it's absolutely delicious. And then next up we have this recipe I got from my friend Leo. It is so delicious. It is Granny Smith apples. So you want to use 6 Granny Smith apples, 2 lemons peeled, and a handful of ginger. So you want to go big on the ginger and use a decent amount of ginger. So this juice is absolutely delicious and again full of so many nutrients. Third off, we have the greens juice. So this greens juice actually tastes good, and the greens are so grounding and cleansing and so healthy for you and so healing. So it's great to add greens in when you're juicing. And this one tastes good. Anyone I make this juice for, they say, wow, Jill, this is delicious. I didn't know green juices could taste so good. So they do. So I'll give you the recipe right now, the secret recipe. It has celery, romaine lettuce, cucumber, zucchini, parsley, which is super great for detoxing and for your body, a little bit of ginger, and then lemon as well. And I'd also like to hear in the comments below if you have favorite juicing recipes. Please do share them with me. Currently I am using my Breville juicer. It is technically better and healthier for your body to use the slow masticating juicer, which I do have, which is an omega juicer, so it's not this one. Technically the slow masticating is better, but lately I've been using the Breville because I live a really fast-paced life and I'm a single mom. I have a lot on the go each day, so to me this one is just easy to use, easy to clean, and that's why I use that right now. So I have juicing recipes on my channel, which I will link at the end of this video, which are fantastic, and many more juicing recipe videos to come. So check out my channel and subscribe for that, and I will see you next time. Bye!